This is a marble run made out of Lego. This is a marble, even though it's not a marble. This is the start and this is the goal. The goal flips and does things like this. It flips around and does that. So the ball can go in there straight away. Today I'm going to tell you what and how it's run. So if first this is like a gate, it opens and shuts. There's a string, so like if this end goes down, the other end goes up, like that and that. If I don't want this to go here, I have to open that gate and do that. So now I'm going to tell you how it's like. You flip it, now it's here. You pull, now I can't go, so I have to open the entrance again, like that. I'm going to push it until this part. I put my finger, and as you can see, I have something that's so round, cylinder thingy. If I spin this ground thingy goes moving, like that. Then as the ball goes up to here, and if I do one more swirl, it goes down, and that's in the goal. Now I'm going to tell you what's on top of the cave. So on top of the cave, you can put a marble in here. If you imagine and think that this ball as a marble is real life, this ball can drive by itself with the wheels underneath. I have a decoration of Pikachu here. You don't need to have a Pikachu. These are antennas for connecting like Wi-Fi, internet. These are guns in case if you imagine and think that there's a bad guy coming, it can shoot straight here. This is the entrance, it can go up and down. Bye.